POV, you're broke, but you still need protein, and ordering food is not happening today. Save this recipe, trust me. This is elite survival food. I found this when I was trying to eat clean, but also save money and also not cook for 1 hour. Step 1. Canned tuna. Honestly, brand doesn't matter. Tuna is tuna. Drain it properly. This part matters. Yes, that sounded weird. Moving on. Add oil. Heat it first. Then add carrots and potatoes. Cook till they start getting soft. Now onions. This gives flavor and texture. Add finely chopped tomatoes. Cook till it starts breaking down. Now ginger garlic paste, turmeric, and red chili powder. Fry lightly. Remove the raw smell. Mix everything well. Now add the tuna. Mix gently. Add salt to taste. Simple but important. Mix slowly first, then mix properly. Now lemon. This is important. This changes the whole dish. Don't overthink it. Add green chili if you like spice. If you don't, skip it. No judgment. Finish with coriander. Makes it fresh, makes it look premium. And that's it. Eat it straight from the bowl. Or toast bread. Toast is main character energy. You choose your lifestyle. High protein, low effort, and actually filling. If you live alone, this recipe will save you, financially and emotionally. Low money, high protein, zero excuses.